Right on, back with the fibreglass roofing then. So you're with me, Mike, your host, and Tom. So anyway, look, you can see where we've done the repairs. It's shiny black, or shiny, looks like ice. Look at that, solid. So what we're going to do, we'll run it over with the sander, get rid of any old little rough bits around the edges or on there. Then the next thing we'll do is do what we always do. So we'll paint around the edges first, around the edges, to about that point there, to that point there. Then as we come off the roof, we'll drop the ladder and we'll just paint that last bit on that fascia there, obviously working our way back from. So Tam, as you can see, he's just going over, just getting rid of any rags what might possibly be there from the fibreglass. But you can see where the repairs have been done by the different colour and where we've built it up with the other fibreglass. So yeah, so that's where there was that dip and that dip. But that wasn't collecting water, but we brought it up a bit. That point over there was, that corner was, and that corner was. So right, we'll do a bit of sanding and we'll get back to you in a bit. Right, so Tom's just pinned a line across with his chalk line. So what we'll do, we paint up to that and get a nice straight line. So when you can't see it from the other side, obviously this is the original, which somebody did. Them ridge tiles are never going to get removed, are they? Yeah, because you'll see the line all the way along. Right on, so you can see where we're cutting just before our tea break, all the way along there and the edges. So what Tom's doing now is just going over the full thing. We've mixed a 4 litre mix up with 2% hardener. So yeah, it's just basically fill it out now until you get to the end. There's no rocket science about it. We've put 2% in because it's a bit of a cooler day today, so instead of waiting for it to dry out, you can see all the edges there, and we've actually done on the other sides as well, on the front of the driplets. So you can see where that repair's been covered there. Tom's going to go over that again. It's just like say it's what we had left from when we was doing all the cutting in. But, yeah, that's all you got to do really. It's literally like watching paint dry doing this. Not going too thin here, mate. That's it. So he's giving it a good covering. yeah, not bad. So I'd say that's where it was pooling. That corner there, this corner here, and that corner over there. That over there, it does go on a slope, but it never pooled, it was running away. But it looks like a new roof now. Just let it go off, dry. You can see where we've done the veg there, and then just as I've come down the ladder, I've just gone over this part. Yeah, cool. Got a little doggy. Oh dear. Right then, Tom. Another job done by the dream team.
Yeah.
How do you think it went?
Went all right. To get it perfect though, you needed a new lid.
Yeah.
That's the only way you're going to get it exact. You know.
Yeah.
Absolutely smooth.
But like we
But
said,
it's miles better than it's not going
it
to
was
puddle
solid,
anymore.
wasn't it?
Oh yeah, it's solid.
And
Don't need to.
we've done what was requested, and where it was pooling, we've hollowed it out,
It's
or
all
leveled
gone.
it out, I should say. So you see what we did there. So we give it a good cleaning. We got rid of all the lichen.
Hopefully no more bed baths.
Yeah, we sprayed it, we scrubbed it. So it was literally spotless. We ground it back, sanded it, didn't we?
Give it another 20, 30 years life now.
Yeah. And then you saw we did the GRP with the resin to fill out the hollows. We've come back today after that's all gone off. We've done all the edges, and then we filled in the middle with the UV protective top coat.
That's right, yeah.
So yeah, that's that. So if you like this video, give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe. If you want to see more of this guy, because I know he's been absent for a while, people have been asking for you, Tom.
Have they?
Yeah. People have said, "Where's your mate?"
I've been busy doing other stuff.
Other stuff. But anyway, yeah. So we're back together now, so you'll be seeing a bit more of what we're up to. See you very soon. Say goodbye, Tom.
Goodbye from him,
It's goodbye from me.
and it's goodbye from him.
But this manhole cover got damaged, so we're going to get that out. Bit of a miscommunication. So when Tom drew his line, he wanted to cut this side of it, not that side. So let's go from here. All right, take two. Let's plug it in.